Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oil filter wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a professional mechanic, these tools can make your oil changes much easier and faster. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the WorkPro Oil Filter Wrench Set. This two-piece set includes 9-inch and 12-inch adjustable pliers, allowing you to tackle a variety of oil filter sizes. The standout feature here is the 5-position slip joint design, which lets you quickly adjust the jaw size for a snug fit. The large teeth on the jaws ensure a secure grip, even on oil-covered filters, making it a reliable choice for those messy oil change jobs. The construction of these wrenches is excellent, with the heads made from forged carbon steel and finished with a corrosion-resistant black coating. The long handles provide additional reach and leverage, which is particularly useful when working in tight engine bays. The anti-slip grips are another highlight, offering comfort and control during use. However, the tool's large size can be a drawback in very confined spaces. This set is a great pick for anyone who needs versatility and durability in their oil filter wrench. It's ideal for home mechanics with multiple vehicles, as the two sizes cover a wide range of filter dimensions. On the downside, the larger pliers might feel bulky for smaller filters, and their performance can sometimes require extra effort on extremely tight filters. Pros include the durable build and multi-size compatibility, while cons are the tool's bulkiness and occasional difficulty in tight spaces. Taking the number 3 spot is the Mate Auto Oil Filter Wrench Set. This comprehensive 8-piece kit is a dream for anyone who works on a variety of vehicles. It includes 4 different sized wrenches, ranging from 2 to 3/4 inches to 5 to 4 inches, as well as 9-inch and 12-inch pliers, and an adapter for 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive ratchets. Everything comes neatly organized in a storage case, making it easy to keep your tools in one place. The standout feature here is the flexibility. The wrenches have a 180-degree swivel head, allowing you to work in tight spaces. The bands are made of stainless steel with a dimpled texture for extra grip, and the pliers have serrated jaws to handle slippery filters. The overall build quality is excellent, and the inclusion of the adapter adds to the set's versatility. However, the set is slightly heavier at 6.9 pounds, which might be a drawback if you're looking for portability. This set is perfect for professional mechanics or serious DIYers who need a wide range of tools for different jobs. The only downside is that the kit might be overkill for someone who only changes oil on a single vehicle. Pros include its versatility and high-quality materials, while cons are the higher price point and weight. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the WorkPro Universal Oil Filter Wrench. This adjustable 3-jaw wrench is designed to fit filters from 2 to 3/8 to 3 to 3/4 inches in diameter. What sets this tool apart is its magnetic design, which helps hold the filter securely during removal. The 3 rotatable legs ensure a firm grip even on stubborn filters. The build quality here is solid, with drop-forged steel construction and a powder-coated finish for durability. The ergonomic design is another highlight, with a hand-friendly body that makes it comfortable to use. This wrench is especially useful for working in tight spaces, and its universal fit makes it a versatile option for various vehicles. However, the magnetic feature may not be as effective on larger or heavier filters. This wrench is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact and reliable tool. It's ideal for home mechanics and occasional use, but it might not hold up to heavy-duty professional work over time. Pros include its magnetic feature and compact design, while cons are its limited size range and potential issues with large filters. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Motivex Tools Oil Filter Wrench. This tool is purpose-built for Toyota and Lexus vehicles with cartridge-style oil filters, making it a must-have for owners of these cars. It features a 64mm 14-flute design and is precision CNC machined from 6061 T6 aluminum, giving it exceptional durability and a perfect fit. What's more, it's made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty. The standout feature of this wrench is its notchless design, which prevents damage to filter tabs during removal. This means no cracking or breaking, reducing the risk of oil leaks. It's compatible with a wide range of Toyota and Lexus models, as well as certain Honda, Bosch, and Mobil 1 filters. The dual drive functionality allows you to use either a 3/8-inch drive ratchet or a 24mm socket, giving you flexibility during use. This wrench is the gold standard for Toyota and Lexus owners. It offers unparalleled precision, durability, and ease of use, making oil changes a breeze. While it's a highly specialized tool, its quality justifies the investment. Pros include its perfect fit, durable construction, and lifetime warranty, while cons are its niche compatibility and higher price compared to universal options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.